Hello all. Good morning. This is Pradeep from SNS Innovation Hub. I am here as a project coordinator handling startups and other research activities. So today is like we are going to see on the series of a subject called intellectual property rights. So what is intellectual property right? So we shortly call it as like IPR. In Tamil, they used to call this title to be as Kaapurumai. So we might be having some innovations from inventions or something like that. So for the safety reasons, for the security reasons, so um, we have to safeguard in a way under some government law that we call it as IPR. A small introduction. Generally, when we talk about IPR, intellectual property rights, uh, it, it is nothing but the legal rights given to the inventor or the creator to protect this invention or creation for a certain period of time. See, we every day things are coming. Every day, many things are being created or invented by many people. We have to protect it, or else it might be copied, it might be taken by someone else, and they might be generating their own revenue from that. For example, if you say, for today, if an Apple is launching a mobile phone, the next second, the same product with the same specifications will be launched by China, correct? So, for that reason, Apple will file a patent for the design and the product, whatever they make. So it is the thing we call it as intellectual property rights, and they have the legal rights for that product. The legal rights is something like the right to the inventor or a creator or the assignee to fully utilize his invention or a creation for a given period of time. You might be asking me, sir, if we go for an patent, if we go for an IPR, whether this is valid for lifetime? No, it is valid for 20 years of time. So after 20 years, this has to be renewed. This has to be renewed. So if not, that will be abandoned. So you can see a picture like where you have three different types like copyright, patented, and trademark. So these are the different types of intellectual property rights. So what you see from this image, what do you see from this image? You can see in the center, you can see intellectual property. In the top, you can see ideas, authorship, creation, novelty, trademarks, patent, brands, licensing, production, copyright, invention, trademarks, everywhere. It means what? See, every day the products are coming. Product is coming. Basically, that product will not come just like that. Correct? There should be an idea, and that idea will be taken to the next level of creation, and that creation will come to the market as a product, and that product will have its own novelty, its own ownership, its own everything. And after that, that invention will go to the government of law to make that invention as an to come under one man's authorship. That we call it as patent. Okay. In future, we'll be seeing about copyrights, licensing, patent in a very clear way. That we'll look at the next video series. So initially, we'll see what is intellectual property. Why is intellectual property important? So it is only for the benefit of authorship, ownership for the invention or the product or the creation, whatever we do on our own, to protect it from liars or to protect it from other people. So that is the main objective for intellectual property. Okay, thank you so much. The next in the next video we'll see the next presentation what to be about about the importance of intellectual property and other things. Thank you so much. Good day. Bye bye.